What do we have on our back porch? Why, let's see. Oh, look. 4 llamas and an alpaca riding the storm out on my back porch. Do they go in their barn? No. They want to sit out here on my porch and chew. And way out there is Lacey, standing in the rain. Aw, poor Lacey. Yep, here they are, watching the rain and staying dry on my porch. Sammy is staying dry on my porch. Hi, Sammy. What you doing? Huh? What you doing? Are you staying dry? Huh? Are you staying dry? He's so goofy. This is Sweetie. She's almost as goofy as Sammy. Yep, it's raining out there, isn't it, kids? There we go. And that's Lincoln.